Hello students, last time we have started aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, in which we have completed some methods of preparation of aldehydes and
ketones.
now we are going to see next method for the preparation of aldehydes and ketones is preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbons, that is aromatic hydrocarbons. Now what is meant by aromatic hydrocarbons? The alkyl group which is bonded to benzene ring is called as aromatic hydrocarbon. Here R is nothing but alkyl group. Now here first reaction we are going to see is Itard reaction. Here methylbenzene, that is this aromatic ring or benzene ring is directly attached to CH3 group. It is called as methylbenzene or it is also named as toluene. When this compound is treated with chromyl chloride, this chromyl chloride is used as an oxidizing agent CrO2Cl2 in presence of carbon disulfide. Then here this methylbenzene or toluene undergo oxidation to form chromium complex like this. Two hydrogen atom from this methylbenzene or methyl group of toluene undergo oxidation to form chromium complex like this. This is chromium complex. This chromium complex undergo acid hydrolysis to give benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. In this way, benzaldehyde is prepared by using methylbenzene or toluene. Then, second method to convert methylbenzene into benzaldehyde is by oxidation of methylbenzene using CrO3, that is chromium oxide. Now here, this methylbenzene is treated with acetic anhydride. Structure of acetic anhydride is like this: CH3COOCOCH3, that is COCH3, that is acid group. This oxygen atom is common in between these two acid group, that is COCH3 group. Now here, when this methylbenzene undergo oxidation with acetic anhydride in presence of CrO3 at lower temperature, that is 273 to 278 Kelvin, that is 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius temperature, then here formation of intermediate takes place. This intermediate is like this. That is, here acetylation of this hydrogen atom is carried out, and here this intermediate is then undergo acid hydrolysis. Then here formation of aldehyde takes place or benzaldehyde is formed. This is benzaldehyde. Third method for the preparation of aromatic aldehyde by using aromatic hydrocarbons. Now here, by side chain chlorination of toluene. Now this is toluene, that is C6H5CH3. CH3 group is directly attached to benzene ring. Now when chlorination is carried out in presence of sunlight, that is addition of this chlorine molecule is carried out in presence of sunlight, then chlorination of this side chain, that is CH3 group, is carried out to form benzene chloride. This is benzene chloride. Or benzyl chloride. Benzene chloride or benzyl chloride. And this benzyl chloride, when undergo acid hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin temperature, then it is converted into benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. Then fourth method, Gattermann-Koch formulation of benzene or arenes. Now this benzene, when it is treated with carbon monoxide in presence of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride under high pressure, this benzene undergo formulation to form benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. In this way, this benzene or substituted benzene is converted into benzaldehyde by Gattermann-Koch formulation. Now these two methods, which are very useful methods for the preparation of benzaldehyde, and commercially benzaldehydes are prepared by using this method, that is by side chain chlorination of toluene. We have completed preparation of aromatic aldehydes by using hydrocarbons. Now we are going to prepare aromatic ketones by using hydrocarbons. Now here the reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now here when benzene is treated with acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or anhydrous ferric chloride, then here formation of acetophenone takes place. These reactions we have seen in aromatic compounds in 11th standard, and now here we have seen this reaction in preparation of aromatic ketones also, and then now here also we are going to see this reaction. That is, it is third time that we are going to see this reaction or study this reaction. When benzene is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then here one hydrogen atom from benzene is replaced by COCH3 group to form acetophenone. Plus HCl. This compound is acetophenone. You can use this acetic anhydride, that is CH3COOCOCH3 also. When this acetic anhydride react with this benzene, then here removal of one hydrogen atom from benzene takes place, and this COCH3 group is replaced by this hydrogen atom, and we'll get CH3COOH. That is, we'll get this compound, that is acetophenone plus CH3COOH. Try this reaction yourself. Now second example, when benzene is treated with benzoyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then same reaction takes place. One hydrogen atom from benzene is replaced by this COCH6H5 group and Cl is removed. That is, we'll get here benzophenone. Plus HCl. This compound is benzophenone. That is, CO group is attached to phenyl group. This is C6H5, that is phenyl group, and this is also phenyl group. We'll get benzophenone. Last method for the preparation of aldehydes is preparation of aldehyde from esters. Now esters are this compound RC-double-bond-O-OR-. When these esters undergo reduction in presence of diisobutyl aluminum hydride, that is DIBALH, diisobutyl aluminum hydride, or it can be also written as ALHIBU 2 times, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Now when this compound ester undergo reduction in presence of diisobutyl aluminum hydride or ALHIBU twice, then formation of aldehydes takes place. By using this method, we can prepare aliphatic as well as aromatic aldehydes. Here R, C, double bond O, H is formed, that is it is aldehyde. That is direct reduction of ester is carried out in presence of this diisobutyl aluminum hydride into aldehyde. This reaction is carried out generally at 195 Kelvin temperature so that further reduction of aldehyde does not carried out and we will get only aldehyde as a product. Now for example, if we carry out reaction of methyl acetate, now this compound is methyl acetate. When it is reduced in presence of diisobutyl aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis and this reaction is carried out at 195 Kelvin temperature, then you will get here CH3COH. This is acetaldehyde. Now second example, methyl propionate, CH3CH2 C double bond O OCH3, methyl, and here there are 3 carbon atoms, therefore it becomes propionate. And when reduction of this methyl propionate is carried out in presence of diisobutyl aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis, then we will get CH3CH2 C double bond OH. This is propanol or propionaldehyde. In this way, we can prepare aldehydes by using esters.